This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State.
In the early 1900s, Eau Clair, Michigan, sat quietly in Berrien County, an agricultural crossroads with a knack for moving goods and growing opportunity. Its name, borrowed from French settlers meaning clear water, gave the town a peaceful air. But these photos show something busier beneath the surface. Main Street bustled with storefronts, the Eau Clair Lumber Company being a central fixture. Model Ts and horse-drawn wagons parked side by side, marking a turning point between old ways and the mechanical age. One image captures a pair of men beside a mule team hitched to a delivery wagon. This wasn't just daily labor. It was the system that kept rural towns alive, moving farm produce, household goods, and people across muddy roads and rail lines. The Michigan Central Railroad Depot was the lifeline. Trains rolled in daily, pulling boxcars loaded with apples, peaches, and crates made in Eau Clair's own box and basket factories. Those mills, one belching smoke, the other stacked with staves, were among the town's largest employers. These industries supported the region's booming fruit economy and kept Eau Clair on the map. We also see folks having a bit of fun. A full baseball team kneels in front of a packed grandstand, dressed in wool uniforms labeled Eau Clair. These games weren't just pastimes. They were weekly rituals where the whole town came out. Children with penny candies, women in high collars, farmers taking a break from orchards. There's the United Brethren Church with its distinct dome steeple, modest but proud. Religious life was tightly woven into small-town structure. Weddings, funerals, Sunday sermons. Churches anchored communities just as much as banks or rail depots. A final photo shows the Berrien County Poor Farm. It reminds us that rural Michigan wasn't only built on industry or agriculture. There were those left behind, those who relied on public assistance when they could no longer work the fields or mills. Eau Clair may not have made headlines, but it made things, crates, baskets, baseball games, and lives worth remembering. Towns like this were the gears that turned Michigan forward, even when no one was watching.
This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.